Prostate power, natural remedies and effective treatments. Welcome to our video on prostate health. As men age, prostate problems can become a common issue. But don't worry, there are ways to manage and maintain a healthy prostate. In this video, we will discuss some natural remedies, treatments, and tips for maintaining a healthy prostate. Whether you're currently experiencing prostate issues or want to prevent them in the future, this video will provide valuable information. So sit back and enjoy as we explore the topic of prostate health and the steps you can take to improve it. Saw palmetto. This herb has been found to be effective in reducing symptoms of an enlarged prostate, such as difficulty urinating. Beta-sitosterol. This plant-based compound is similar to cholesterol and is thought to help reduce symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Hygeum. This herb is derived from the bark of the African cherry tree and has been found to be effective in reducing symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Zinc. This mineral is important for prostate health, may help reduce symptoms of an enlarged prostate and helping to balance the levels of testosterone in the body. Foods high in zinc include oysters, pumpkin seeds, and beef. Plant sterols. Several studies have found that supplementing with plant sterols may help reduce symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Quercetin. This flavonoid found in fruits and vegetables has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Depending on the severity of the problem, treatment options can include medication, such as alpha blockers or 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, or surgery. Alpha blockers are used to relax the muscles in the prostate and the bladder neck, making it easier to urinate. 5-alpha reductase inhibitors work by slowing down the growth of the prostate gland. Surgery is usually recommended for severe cases, when medication and other non-invasive treatments are not effective. It's important to note that before starting any treatment, it's crucial to consult with a doctor to determine the best course of action for you. To maintain a healthy prostate, it is important to eat a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, especially those that are high in antioxidants, like berries and tomatoes. These foods can help prevent inflammation and reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Exercise regularly, maintain a healthy weight, and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can also aid in prostate health. Stress management is also important as stress can lead to inflammation and affect the overall health of the prostate. Prostate problems can be a serious issue, but by taking steps to maintain a healthy lifestyle and utilizing natural remedies and treatments, men can greatly improve their prostate health. Remember to consult with a doctor to determine the best course of action for you. It's important to take note of any symptoms you may be experiencing and seek medical attention if necessary. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. Don't forget to consult with your doctor before making any changes to your health regimen. Stay healthy.